This is the world's first energy system, powered by a natural resource that is right under our feet: soil. Soil is a microbiome, which thrives by feeding on molecular matter, transforming its chemical energy into electrons. At Bactery, we've figured out a way to tap into this microverse and turn these free electrons into electricity anywhere you step. Our bacteria-powered batteries employ unique electrode designs and clever electronics which tune into the dynamics of soil bacteria to stimulate their growth and maximize electron transfer. With that, we can already generate power at a fraction of the price of single-use batteries. Thanks to the insulating properties of soil, we also minimize atmospheric dependencies, delivering stable performance day and night throughout all seasons. And all that with no need for maintenance. Simply install and reap the benefits of reliable and clean energy for many, many years. Our first mission is to bring soil power to farms and accelerate the shift towards data-driven agriculture. Our Bacteries will bridge the gap in scaling agri-IoT deployment by turning soil into the perfect power source accessible in every corner of your farm. The current energy solutions for agri-IoT are not scalable, and we can fix that. Our vision is to electrify the world through the power of soil. Bactery. Green energy right at your feet.